Hey guys, I hope you're all doing well. For those who don't know me, I'm Elise London, and for those who do know me, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing this gorgeous Ombre blonde bob wig from WisdomGraceHair. Alright guys, so I'm going to get into the hair information. So this hair is 100% human hair. The length is 12 inches and the colour is an ombre highlight, and the hair type is Brazilian Non-Remy, and the density is 150%. And as you can see, I'm cutting the back lace off because I didn't want to use that. And inside of the cap there's about 4 combs, plus with adjustable straps. And I forgot to mention, I did not bleach this unit. As you can see here, I'm just putting my foundation onto the lace. And this is also a 13x6 lace frontal wig. So I'm going to try this wig on and we're going to see what it's looking like. And yeah, I know what you guys are thinking, it's looking a little bit mad, but I promise you at the end of this video it'll be looking all cute. Oh my god, I might just even leave this clueless, guys. What do you think? What do you think? Alright guys, so I decided to go with gluing it down with my olive oil holding spray. Alright guys, so I'm going to leave you to continue on watching how I install this wig. Then I'll come back and tell you how I feel about this hair and some more details about where I got it from. Alright guys, so just like that, boom, yeah, this was a very quick and easy install. I really love how they blended into my skin without me even bleaching this unit, and it was very easy to style also. So in regards to where I got this wig from, this got sent to me from WisdomGraceHair. They are a new upcoming hair brand and they sell all sorts down to wigs, lace closures, lace frontals and bundles, and many more. So I'll leave their link to their website, also to their social media handles, and I'll leave that all in the description box for you. So yeah guys, if you want to know anything else about this unit, please leave a comment down below in the comment section and I'll get back to you. And I love communicating with you guys, so if there's anything that you want to ask me about this hair or something else, then leave it down below and I'll get back to you. So moving on forward guys, I really hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, please leave a big thumbs up and leave a comment and subscribe to my channel for future videos, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.